We're gonna get honks. That's
So
it.
we're gonna get people to honk at us. So let's go.
With care.
Oh my God! Let's get into that.
Yeah.
All right, I got a sign. You know what the sign says?
Honk.
Girls.
Honk, honk.
Why don't you get a beer can? I mean, why did the beer?
We don't have a beer box anymore. I threw it away. Box. All right. Now we wait for people to drive by. Why are we all still like in the same spot?
I'm not gonna let you fall. I'm not gonna let you fall.
What the? Oh. Guys, Garrett. I don't know if you guys know I hate Garrett. Take the bus. Take the bus. God damn, he's speeding. Hug! 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 There! Yeah! Yeah, we got one recording. Hug! 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 Alright, so this guy just hates us. They're probably gonna think we're crossing. Maybe we need one person
We're
or
homeless. We're homeless.
anything will help.
A honk would help.
No, don't, because it'll slow down. Don't do it. No, I will WW. Don't click it.
I didn't mean to click it.
What are you doing?
I didn't mean to click it.
You gotta stop. You gotta stop.
Shit.
There's 2 cars coming. Don't click it anymore.
I didn't mean to click it. I think I pushed down on it. I didn't realize it was
You
touch.
barely touch it. Goes off.
I didn't realize it was touch. I thought it was push. Is that right?
What if I say in the middle?
You know what we should do?
Bro, for the thumbnail, we should walk around the street and get pictures.
No, we should try to get 400 honks.
Hi guys. Alright boys, if my calculations are correct, there's nothing coming.
Why are we lying?
Oh, there's one headlight on. I thought they were turning. Hug! 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 Yeah! That's forward.
Try to get to 150. How can we try to get to 150, deal?
400. Hug!
How
Hug!
many honks
Hug!
you guys have?
Hug! 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 Hug!
I guess hello? How are we going to honk you guys? How much push it to?
Yo, shine the camera. Show the camera on me.
How big? No, don't.
What is this, 2016?
The permit is born, let's be honest.
Gavin was born 2014. I'll leak all his legal info right now.
Okay.
Hey, there's no permit. No, do it.
Shine the camera.
No. Anything home, right? Have you ever heard of something called?
Okay, we found the unkillable bear.
Yes. Oh, car coming.
Hug! Yeah! That's fine.
So sorry. There's a mustard right
Guys, what about him?
Honk!
Honk. I'm gonna spin back on my.
Ow! That would be the best honk of the century.
Bro, just is riding.
I don't think he's actually going to come back. Because me
Zoom in
personally, I
on
don't
that
think he
guy.
will.
Zoom in on that guy. We gotta remember him, guys.
No, he's
We gotta remember him.
Well, move your back foot out of the way.
We gotta remember that guy.
I have a feeling this camera's going to run out of storage, so I will have to switch to GoPro. Are you following me? You can't even see the other side. The screen's looking at me. Stop touching. Why are you like genuinely touching me? Okay, this shirt's heavy. Oh, over. I hear metal over here. Car coming. Car coming.
Can I hold the sign too?
Hug! 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 Yeah!
Imagine that guy acting
Car
so
coming.
bad.
Y'all want to like go in the camera view? There we go.
Oh, it's been like 15 minutes. 15 less minutes.
Hug! 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 Well, they...
Son is the dog.
Hug! 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 Yeah!
Oh yeah.
Man, it's funny. People read the sign, they're like, what does that say? They're like, oh, that says wrong.
That's not on the light.
Yeah, I know. I messed up on that. We don't have a white thing. Hug! 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 Hug!
How many have you gotten? 7!
7!
You counted?
Hug! Hug!
Hug! Hug! Hug! Hug! Hug! Hug! So Allie was driving with us. Hug! Hug! Hug!
Hold the
hug,
sign up.
Hug! 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 Hug!
You guys are short, bro.
Bad luck. Hug! What? He has a point.
W mom.
I need a...
Every honk is slapping on a guy.
What? No, why me? Yeah, because I'm a Mario.
Love it. I've seen like.
Shh. I can hear the vacuum's on at my house. Oh! Hug!
Hard.
Hug! 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 Hug!
Yeah, I know that. I think every time.
Hug! 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 Yeah! Hug! 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 Yeah!
Car coming, car coming. Definitely better.
Yo, he was speeding. He almost got the van.
He was definitely better. Car coming. Car coming.
Hello.
Car coming.
I need a camera. Look at Nisi.
Yeah. I'm gonna carry it.
Hug! 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 Hug!
Yo, he actually coming back. He actually coming back.
Hug! 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 Hug!
He's actually coming back. He's coming back. He's actually coming
No
back.
way, he comes back and honks the horn. No shot. Yo.
Yo, that man right there will be peaked. We gotta
Car
remember his name.
coming. Hug! 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 Yeah!
He actually
W card.
W black.
Yo, somebody asked him that. He might do it. He might do it.
Hug! Hug! Hug!
This way. Just. I'm gonna do that.
Alright. Second time. The guy with the scooter. He's trying to honk at us, so hopefully we get another honk.
No, I trust that guy. I can kill myself.
Who's that down there? Is that like a freaking baby chair?
Yeah, I know that.
Hug! 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 Hug!
Yo, we should
Hug for no cancer.
we should put Dab in the baby chair.
You can go get the bar. Devin, you stay here. We're going to go get the baby chair.
Fuck. No, it's just hard work in the life.
Alright, Gavin, we got your share. Gavin, get it? How do you open this?
Put your baby carrots on it.
How is it up?
Yeah, take the ball in this car. You just dumb.
Oh, yeah.
I won't let you zip it.
Oh, yeah. Yo, you good.
Yo, show this to the camera. See, it's easy.
That was actually funny.
Maybe there's a reason I get taken down on YouTube.
Show me the camera.
Stop, bro. Stop.
Yo, we gotta name a Garrett. This is gonna be your new star.
That's Bob Gray.
This is Garrett the Garrett.
Alright, bro.
Is that a YouTuber's name?
His name's Garrett the Carrot, not Carrot the Garrett. Trademark, Carrot the Garrett. Trademark.
Stop doing this activity.
Okay, bet.
I'll get you into monetization.
Carrot.
Get you in the
His name is Carrot. Carrot.
No.
You guys want to see some of the cool carrots dead? Alright, let's try to kill it.
Don't. Damn, that was a long one.
Yo, I split Carrot. I split Carrot, guys. We're gonna go until he's in pieces. Just like my life.
Just step on him, bro. Just step on him.
No. You gotta make it go painfully.
Never go painfully, missus.
Yeah,
That is his own segment right there. His own segment. Yo, what's that? Oh yeah! Oh yeah! I'll be back. Holy!
What's your life today?
Yo, I turn around for 2 seconds. I hear.
You gotta just. Yo. Oh shit, I think I'm bad.
Alright, I don't know why I didn't get it.
Gavin, time!
That's all right.
This is a workout, I'm not gonna lie. Give us like 2 seconds for intermission. I don't know. Alright, got people hug. Good side!
Why me? That just pulls that out.
What do you know something about having a child?
Of course you do.
Video evidence of this.
We're not censoring. Never keeping that. What up? Alright.
Sturdy ass chair.
Watch it, I jumped in it.
Probably watch. Do it.
Fuck you. Got it.
Oh, no, not to move it.
I'm not feeling this. You did.
I didn't bring it over here for no reason.
That was like the most high-pitched one I've heard yet.
You look like Shaq.
This is called Shaq.
Shaq is like a giant.
Oh wait, Andy doesn't know. These two know.
What?
Oh!
Oh!
Where are all the cars at? Why don't all the cars leave?
Yeah, I'm good.
What sector I'm gonna have to do in a video if I do this? Alright,
Censor like the game one.
dude, the game beat's never recorded. We have to
Never
redo that.
recorded?
Yeah, we have to redo that.
Shaved you a lot of censoring.
Where did you go in here?
I need to go grab the battery in my room. Get it, car! Hug!
Wait, we should ride on this. We should ride on this.
Yo, grab my dollars on.
We should ride on this. We should go right on this. We should go right on this. It's white. It's white. It's white. We should go right on this. It's white. We should go right on it. Blends in with me. We should ride on it. Yo, we couldn't use that. Arlen even said I'm onto something.
Oh, I just took that out.
Yo, we should ride on this. It works. Where are you going?
Villager news.
Hug! 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 Hug!
Yo, my voice cracked so hard.
Hug! 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 Hug!
I might be losing my voice. Marley! I think I'm losing my voice! No. You're gonna be the reason I'm so much,
What'd I do? Hug! 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 What's good at this? It's always Arlen. Hug! 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 What did I do?
How do you mean?
Hug! 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 Yeah! Got out of the car.
You guys want to go here? We gotta walk away. Don't walk away.
Watch it.
Oh my god.
Well, we gotta run.
Alright guys, so that truck that was going super slow. Come here real quick. That car that was going super slow a minute ago. All the way down there. We might be getting cooked in a minute. Oh, estate sale.
Here, there are the people selling the estate sales.
Selling the estate sale sign? I don't think that's how it works.
Yeah, it was. I mean, so.
It's just called an estate sale. It's not selling an estate sale. Car!
I've always skipped a couple. That's it.
Oh!
Hug! 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 Hug!
I'll take it!
Hug! 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 Hug!
Yeah!
Hug! Hug! Hug!
Ew, I got carrots in my face.
Where are you? I'm gonna go find you.
No, don't leave me alone.
Yes, I am.
No, don't leave me.
Find Why go speed up?
We'll go get them in about. Let's see, what time is it? I just texted him.
I'm gonna move on here and into the middle road and stand in. No cars come for a minute. I'm gonna do that.
Cars coming.
Yeah.
Honk! I lost Kel, so we're just gonna. I'll get. No, stop. Get out. I heard a gate shut.
Yo, watch out for the box, bro.
Yeah! What are you guys doing?
Can y'all walk any faster? Hey, look. Just calm down. You're gonna wait. No! Think about it. You should go like on a romantic Disneyland or something.
You guys suck.
$1. No, he's missing $1 because he bought me this and you wasted it.
Corey, you know how much you make a week? Disneyland is definitely the budget. For me? I got to believe all of them. Hey.
Serious? That's what you should write. Oh, damn, never mind. Just chill. But still, it's $1. That's the end of the world.
What?
That 1 penny.
The 1 penny could end the world, bro. If it leaks
Hey,
into
don't
like
throw that trash. You got that trash.
if it goes into like a nuclear reactor, then we're dead.
Want to test it?
Hell.
Goodbye.
You're
You look like the Halloween costume.
Why that does the aliens?
Hug! Yo, my voice is cracked so many times doing this. Honk! Yeah!
Put the sign up.
Oh, damn!
It is us.
Hey, 6 feet. Hey, 6 feet. 6 feet.
Honk, honk, honk,
Why me? Come
not the street, not the street.
Oh, this was the
Stop! Stop clicking it! You're telling me to stop! Go.
Where's the...
Oh, that guy, okay. No, seriously, because somebody stop for us.
I think I'm gonna make it work. Ow! My bad. I'm gonna love you. Walking on both sides. No, I'm here! Dude!
Can't bring it out here for nothing.
You're talking? Hurry? I have picture proof of being a furry. Hey, help jump the YouTube channel.
Great garbage.
Yeah, you got it.
No, great garbage.
Anyway. You almost got it. Yeah, I should have done it. I said that we all get kidnapped.
What happened?
Go, there's a car over there. It's like the G-Mod car. Full white. I'm really out of
Imagine
breath.
chasing a squirrel. Funny.
Why are we so far from the camera?
If you follow,
Hello, camera. Whoa.
we should get another box.
When this camera dies, we stop. What?
You can.
No, I'm not. Yeah, car!
It's almost forward.
Take her. Why did we see him? Really? We should play tennis 2-on-2. Erlen and Angie against me and Corey. Now we should do wiffle ball.
Yeah.
Wiffle ball with Angie.
You should do baseball.
No.
You should do soccer.
Huh? Yeah. Yeah. You play soccer?
Yeah! Hear that? Bro, I said, alrighty. We have, I don't know how many hogs.
Should I go dance? There, out. College money. College money.
He'll give you $20, not me. No, kiddo.
I'll do it for 50. Run around, look around. Run and make it for a honk. I'll do that.
I bet do it then.
Yeah, Calvin got 100.
Honk! Honk!
Let's do it.
Honk! Honk!
I would do it.
Honk! Honk! Honk!
No, you gotta do it right now. No, you do that. No, you do it.
Give us to see better.
Huh?
Give us to see better.
Honk!
No,
Honk!
they see better at night. They'll see it very
Honk! Honk!
That's still there.
What are the cops?
Yeah.
Honk! 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 Honk!
Honk, 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 honk. Wait. That's right. I know.
It took him to get back twice.
It's been way longer.
No, it took him like a year. He might be. But he not sure.
That's so idiot.
Why do you have to say that? Yeah, we have a little bit of everything. Yeah, shut up.
Oh, remember the Indian guy just saw it and I see him.
I don't know, I wouldn't be surprised if we got a comment. We've had comments on Twitter before.
I want to go to them a second.
We've got third time meeting.
Oh, yeah.
You want me to do the outro?
Gabby, you want to restart?
You want to restart?
Oh, you want to restart? Honk!
Alright, there's not gonna do it. Every direction.
I know, he looked like a didn't.
Yeah, I didn't need it.
Oh my god, guys, I test my luck. Actually, I don't trust you guys.
Hey, why don't you start stretching again? What? Why don't you start stretching again?
Oh, that'd be so weird. Did it hurt?
Yeah, it hurt.
Do it again.
Do it again.
Yeah, he literally crawls up the stairs.
Remember that face? No, remember the hand. No, I had an extra hand. Just something.
Oh, yeah.
What did I do?
Yeah!
Are you trying to win?
Not the airline. Go back up, I think you're crossing probably. Stop. Don't back up. Stop running too fast. Yeah!
Oh yeah, oh shot. Oh shot.
Shaq's we're gonna see today.
There you go. Most everything ever. Why are you just like this? That's okay.
See now I'm not happy.
So just hit the sun.
God damn it. Let's see. It's about to die.
So until it dies?
405.
That's it.
So until it dies?
Until you die, we keep going.
Why do we want the viewers to
Until
die?
the camera dies, we keep going.
It's gonna last like 80 years.
It's been 45 minutes.
I already got abused enough.
How are you so cussing?
Sorry, my bad.
You're supposed to watch my channel.
Yeah!
Oh, you cook now. Oh, you cook. Oh, you cook. He turning around too. You cook. He's barking. He's barking. He's gonna come to the watch. Yes, yeah. He's gonna come.
We're supposed to be like that.
Car.
Maybe we'll get him to honk at us.
Imagine being a good ninja. What? The Pokemon.
Soccer complex over there. He's power.
Is he coming here?
Honk! 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 Yeah! Oh, as you look at that, camera's about to die.
We'll be coming in.
There's one more car. We gotta get this last one.
Okay, and then I get that. That's like so much. It's like a four.
Probably.
Honk! 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 Yeah! Honk! 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 You're the shining You're the shining how many letters? Like 100? Like 100?
Definitely more.
What? You're looking at me! Looking at me! I ain't even. We're not gonna blur that out?
I don't think you can hear it.
You hurt!
I said, I don't think Liz can hear it from that far. Alright, y'all. Give me a second. Wait, there's one car. Honk! 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 Yeah! That's how we have to feel. Well, let's go wrap up today's video. Maybe. Oh yeah, come here for the outro. Come here for the outro. Come here.
You too.
Come here. Alright, well, let's go wrap up today's video. Maybe we'll get more people honk at us later in the past, or
Pass.
later
We're
in the
going back
future.
to the future.
But if you guys want to see more people honk at us, message Arlen at 661. Just kidding. Alright, and there's those two. Didn't even finish the outro. Cut me off before then. Later, y'all. Hold the camera. On, 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 on. Yeah! And that's how we end the video.